baby just dropped to the ground just moments ago. Ryan saw it happening but didn't even have time to pull out his camera. Liam just informed me that he saw that it was starting to happen and he was about to tell me. But Daddy told me first. Daddy was out here doing chores. I knew this girl was going to go soon. I'm so glad she went now and not during the polar vortex we're expecting next week. Now, Mary Jane is more of a standoff-ish so I'm not going to jump right in there. She's doing what she needs to do. I'm going to stay back and let her be comfortable with the situation. And then once we're sure that she has birthed what she's going to birth and everything is taken care of, we will carefully catch her and give her a birthing stall to finish resting and bonding without little baby goats interfering. She seems to be possibly contracting still, and that's why the little one is bothering her, because she's like, stop, I gotta deliver another baby, or maybe just deliver the placenta in general. But either way, she's still contracting, so she's like, I want to clean you, but I also don't want you going underneath me right now. She's doing a really good job. I mean, she's definitely, yeah, she's making sure he's very clean. I haven't seen any signs of her pushing for another one yet, but she looks so wide. I think there's I think I just saw movement. I think there is another one. I think I just saw the baby move. I don't know if any of y'all saw that. But right where a baby would be kicking, well, I thought I saw kicking. And again. So, unless she's just breathing really hard. No, that's got to be a kick. Did you see that? That baby's ready to come out, honey. Get that baby out. And these are hair sheep. She hasn't shedded off all of her winter or summer coat completely, but it has made kind of a protective oh, loud goose. Sorry about that. And so her wool has made kind of a protective coating for her for the winter cold. Be gentle. Yeah. See, she kind of looks like she's about to push him away hard, but she's just trying to lick under him, I think, and just kind of keep him from nursing right now because she's not ready yet. She's like, no, not yet, not yet. And if she continues circling like this and not letting him, we will intervene and get that nursing happening in the first hour. So we just want to make sure that she can birth the other baby. If she has another baby, I think she does. I think she's actually getting close to starting to have the other baby come out, because I'm seeing more pressure looking on her hind end. It might be good if I pick that baby up and get it out of her way so she can deliver, but in the same breath, I don't want to interfere with her mothering at this point. As little intervention as possible, especially with these more wild sheep. You know, they're not as friendly as the goats, asking me for cuddles while they're in labor. Definitely a whole different beast. Oh, he's bound and determined. He got in there for, I heard him suckling. He got in there for at least one sip. I heard it, and he was in just the right spot. Oh, Mama, she don't want to nurse yet. Once her hormones calm down a little bit, if she passes the placenta or another baby, she'll be more likely to just settle into the nursing. He's persistent. That's good. All right, I just saw little hooves poke out. Mama is doing good. I have another baby coming, so I'm going to stick around. Yeah, Mama, we're going to stick around just to make sure you're good. Deliver this baby okay, and then get you into this stall and give you some molasses water. She's like, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to step on you. Cute. Aw, baby. No, Xena, not for you. You're not coming in here. This is the birthing stall. You're not birthing. You're a baby. Good baby. This little guy is very persistent, and he's getting nursing in while Mama's in labor. So that's good for her because it'll help release the hormones to help with her birth. Excellent. She's a little weird about that, but that's probably just because she's in labor. That's probably just because she's in the middle of contractions and just wants to be left alone for a second. There she goes. She hasn't given a good push, even though there's feet sticking out. I don't know if y'all can see that. There are toes out, but she hasn't had a chance to really dig in for a good push because she's had a baby to lick. It's like a distraction, you know. Starting to think maybe I should grab him and put him in the stall. I've already got the heat lamp on in there to warm it up. It is a Premier 1 heat lamp, which is the only heat lamp we trust. It's a safer style, and we double tie it. So we tie it up in multiple points so that if one of the ties fails, it will still be secure and it won't fall. And we only do that for middle of the winter nighttime babies. Otherwise, they don't really need heat usually, except for if they're sick or something. But everybody's healthy now. All right, girl, we're losing light out here. When are you gonna have that other baby? I'm so impatient. That baby is doing so good, though. He figured it all out on his own. Strong boy. Well, it's too dark now, but she's pushing the baby out, so I didn't have time to go in and get a flashlight or nothing. Here it comes in the dark. I'm filming anyway, just in case I can edit in the light better. Let's see, the head is out. I can see more with my natural eyes than I can see on the video, so. Come on, girl. Give it a good push. You got this. You got this. There you go. There you go. Baby's alive. It wasn't moving much, so I didn't. Oh. I don't know if she's gonna let me do this, but I just heard the baby try to suck up fluids. You don't want that. There we go. Is this baby gonna just drop out? We don't want to drop it on its face, huh? Just gonna gently hold it so that it falls on its back. There. There. And then let Mama take over. All right, Mama. Let's get this baby stimulated. All right. It's plenty stimulated. I can step back. Mama can do the rest. I think I'm going to try to move them right now because I don't have anybody here to help me. Ryan had to go run and do something. So, all right. Let me put this down and get to. This is such a great mama. Both babies are well fed this morning. We checked on them last night, made sure, but it's always such a relief when I check on them in the morning and everything is still good. It's still good. Oh my gosh, you're cute. It's like kind of got like roan coloration on its face. Not cute. It's not cute. It's not cute. It's not cute. Oh, the legs are roan too. They're not just black. That's pretty cool. I didn't know sheep could do that. I thought that was just a goat thing. Oh, I'm loving this. This is so nice. They're being so good. Good job, Mama. Yeah, good job. First time moms are always like a nervous experience, but I shouldn't be nervous because they're usually really good about it. She's doing really good.